In this short video, we're going to look at how to wire up our buttons to navigate to another layout. And I decided, looking at my interface, I really don't like the main menu text view. I'm going to go ahead and just click it and delete it. That'll bring the buttons up a little bit. I just think that looks a little bit cleaner. So each of these buttons need to be wired up to our Kotlin code. Now, we haven't created the layouts yet for the roster, the lineup, or the stadium. We have created the layout for the mascot, for Ronnie Raccoon. So I'm going to go into my KT file, my main activity, and notice that in our onCreate, we're setting content view to r.layout.menu. Just simply going to copy that line of code, and we're going to basically do the same thing. We're going to create a function, and I'm going to call it go Ronnie. And it will take a parameter of v as a view. I'm going to import android.view.view. Then I'm going to paste that line of code that we copied, and all I'm going to do here is change menu to Ronnie Layout. Now I'm going to create another function here that will be go menu. And I actually do want to go to r.layout.menu. That'll be our back button, our return button. So now I'm simply going to go back to my menu layout, select Raccoon, and then the common attributes for onClick, I will choose Go Ronnie. And then I'm going to go to my Ronnie layout, select my return button. So I'm going to take the onClick event and set it to Go Menu. And then I'm going to test. I'm going to click Ronnie Raccoon. It takes me to my Ronnie layout, and the return button takes me back to my menu. And so as we create the other layouts, we'll want to add code in our KT file to go to those layouts when we click these buttons, and have the return button on those layouts that return back to this page. If you just jumped into this video, you can see all the videos from the Android App Development Cohort playlist by clicking on the image in the lower right. And if you'd like to be alerted to future videos that I create, you can click my picture up in the top right and subscribe to the channel.